Oh, Daphne, isn't today such a lovely day with the lovely sunshine and the lovely skies? Oh yes, Charlotte. It's even lovelier that I'm now wearing my new gown. Oh, that is so lovely. But one question runs across my mind now. What is it, Charlotte? Well, Elizabeth has been awful quiet today, don't you think? Ah, yes, kids. The quieter they are, the more trouble they are. I wonder where Daphne, Daphne, you're right there, of course. But I wonder where Elizabeth would be. Mommy! I think that's her. Mommy! 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 Mommy, I gotta tell you something really, really important. What is it, Elizabeth? Mommy, I have to go see the Great Parrot. The Great Parrot? Oh, Charlotte, did you teach her that? The Great Parrot is just a myth. No, it's not. It's not a myth. Your necklace is a myth. Oh, Elizabeth, that is so uncalled for. Well, it is true. I am leaving, Charlotte. Good day. Okay, Elizabeth, the Great Parrot. Why do you want to go see the Great Parrot? Because, Mommy, I can get a unicorn. The Great Parrot grants you anything you want. A unicorn. Really? Yep. I want a unicorn. Well, legend says you have to go see the great frog in the Forbidden Fountain. Where's the Forbidden Fountain? In the Forbidden Land of Forbiddenness. In the Forbidden Land of Forbiddenness? Awesome. Now, forget all of that I said. Just forget it, Elizabeth, okay? Just forget it. And I don't want you to see you step near the Forbidden Fountain to go talk to the gold frog, okay? Okay, Mommy, I will. Bye. Oh, kids, they're such trouble. They're so troublesome, honestly. I am the great all-knowing gold frog. La 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 la. La la. You're the great unknowing frog. I am the great gold knowing frog. Then you can help me answer my question. Awesome! What is it you want to know? Where's the Great Parrot? The Great Parrot is protected by his peacock guards. Oh, so he's protected. Okay. Like, where is he protected? In the great land of cages. Okay, and that would be down the street. Thank you so much, Mr. Great Gold Frog, person, sir, amphibian. No problem. I'm gonna get a unicorn. I'm gonna get a unicorn. Kids are so troublesome. Oh, I didn't know the Great Parrot was down the street. Wow, I gotta go talk to him. Not safe. so fast. Oh, are you one of the parrot guards I was warned about? By the great golden frog, yes. Okay, I'm just here to see the Great Parrot. Is that okay? No, you must answer these questions to me first. Okay, you don't need to get up on my face and everything. What do you want to ask? What is your name? Elizabeth? What is your quest? To see the Great Parrot? What is your favorite color? I'm guessing pink. I see. She is no harm to us. We must let her see the Great Parrot. Okay. A Great Parrot. Oh, hi Great Parrot, hi. I'm like a huge fan of yours. What do you want? Quack? You see, I kind of want a unicorn. Quack? What color? Quack? You see, I haven't really kind of thought that out yet. So, maybe like a pink or something? Quack? Big or little? Quack? I want big. Quack? Okay, quack. My own very unicorn. Nah, me no like you. Boom. Ah! Boom. Quack? That's what you asked for. Quack? Elizabeth. Elizabeth, where... oh, goodness, what happened to you now? Quack, she said. Quack. Oh, goodness gracious, Elizabeth. I told you not to go, and what do? You end up yourself dead. Honestly. Quack. Kids are troublesome. Quack. I agree with you there. I guess I'll leave her there and get the Royal Guards to clean her up. Quack. Good idea. Quack. Thank you, Great Parrot. Thank you. Quack. No problem. Quack. Kids are so troublesome. Quack. Quack. My, isn't such today a lovely day? Oh yes, I agree. Mommy! Huh? Did you hear that? Mommy! Mommy! Oh, what is it, dear? Mommy, I must see the Great Parrot. The Great Parrot? Oh yes, Mommy. It's the greatest parrot of them all. And he can teach me things, like where to get a unicorn. Again, Charlotte, you've been teaching this girl too many things. Her head is filled with these trivial, unbelievable stuff. Well, Elizabeth, I don't know where the magic Great Parrot is. Oh, he's magical too? That's awesome. Well, I guess you should... The Great Parrot is with